Hello everyone. I'm going to speak today how to stop comparison. Comparison is quite common. It's old as human being. So how we can stop this comparison? Most of the time our mind unexpectedly, without our permission, it will be comparing ourselves with others, our kids with others. Somewhere it happens. To whom do we compare? We may be comparing with our colleagues, relatives, neighbors, schoolmates, college mates, even with siblings also. So this comparison is going on. So how to stop this comparison? Before going to that, let me tell you, two types of comparisons are there. One is positive comparison, negative comparison. Positive comparison which leads to progress, which leads to innovative ideas, which will make others to be very intelligent, and I want to be like so and so person, and I want to be like so and so role model. Something which is very good comparison. But most of the time it doesn't happen. Most of the time the second one, that is negative comparison, is leading. Negative comparison is entering inside of the mind. Negative comparison which leads to jealous, and it will decrease the self-confidence. It leads to cheap competition, and it may insult the others, and it hurts the ego. So this is negative competition. I am talking today only the negative competition only. We shouldn't compare with others. For example, a student got seat in MBBS. Another student parent is comparing with this student and saying that you should get seat in MBBS. You should become just like doctor like other student. So this is the comparison. In fact, the kid is interested in fashion designing. The kid is interested in hotel management. So this is a wrong comparison, because it all depends on the interest, where you want to be, which field you are interested. Are you interested in martial arts? Are you interested in arts? So which area you are interested? So once if you are interested in that area, you shouldn't compare with another field people. Let me give you more clarity. Suppose say, let's take MS Dhoni. MS Dhoni is comparing with say Prabhudeva. Prabhudeva is in dancing field. MS Dhoni is in cricket field. He can't compare. This is wrong. And in another case, MS Dhoni is comparing with Kohli. No, this is also wrong. Now what to do? With whom he has to compare? He has to compare, but with himself only. Like what I was, what I am, and what I will be, where I want to be. So like, compare always with yourself. This is the best way. Now how to stop this comparison? How to put a break of this comparison cycle? For this I am going to share with you only simple 3 tips. The first one is that be aware and avoid it. Identify what is triggering you to compare with others. So please identify that areas and put a pause. Think it. Is it good? Is it necessary? Is it going to be progressive of your life? Think it, pause it, and then go ahead. So be aware of this. For example, you are having a vehicle, so which cost is around 3 to 4 lakh. You are comfortable, it's running very well, and it's in condition. You have very good fulfillment, you are happy with that. But just beside your car, someone started parking a very big car which cost is 50 lakh or 30 lakh. You started feeling, my car is looking very small now. Now what to do? I too want to buy the same kind of car. Because of status. This is a bad comparison. Because of status, you are also buying by taking loan and all these things. Is it good? No, not at all. So stop believing on this such kind of things like status and comparing and I want to be dominating, and all these things are nonsense. Just think about yourself, think about your financial status, think about your family background, think about the circumstances of your family, then act according to that. Not required, it's not necessary. Let me give you another example. Once upon a time I was working in Usmania University as a chief examiner. Under my guidance, 10 examiners were there who were valuing the papers. One of my colleague who is working as examiner under my guidance, she was coming by a four-wheeler in car. In car she was coming, and it cost around, in those days, it was around 10 years back. The car cost was around 60 lakh. Another examiner one day intentionally, purposefully, deliberately started talking to me. Loud voice. Madam, so and so lady, she is coming in so and so car, it costs you 16 lakh. You are coming in which vehicle? She is coming in 4-wheeler. In those days I was traveling in RTC bus. So no need to worry, no need to feel shy, no need to feel insult. And I told very clearly, even I am also coming in 4-wheeler. My 4-wheeler is 25 lakh RTC bus. Simple, nothing to worry. When someone is doing something, so need not to worry, then he just kept his mouth shut. All were silent. It doesn't matter how you're traveling and what you're wearing. What matters is your knowledge, your attitude, your behavior. That matters a lot. So that is why be aware of such kind of comparison, put a pause, avoid it, abolish it. First principle. Second one is that focus on your strengths only. Everyone is having strengths and weaknesses. So please focus on your strengths, not required. And someone may be looking very smart, someone may be looking very happy. And what do you know? Who knows what are his drawbacks and what kind of problems he is having? He may be having financial problem, personal problem, health problem, relatives problem, anything it can be. But someone is looking happy, it does not mean that you need not to feel jealous. Just focus on your strengths and where I am good and what is my strength and what is my weakness and how to overcome this weakness. Like you just focus on yourself only. This is much better always. And the third principle is that be in the present. Be in the present. Most of the time we'll be comparing for the past events. Something happened, over. Always crying and always you'll be in the past situation, past situations, and you'll be crying all the time. How to avoid this? And if you are crying, if you are in the past events, you are wasting your present. The valuable present time you are wasting it. So what you need to do is avoid this past. Don't think about past. Past is past. Think about the present and focus on the future. I'll give you 3 examples, small example. Say one of your friend who was very close and she got a seat in IIT. You just missed that seat. What do? All the time you'll be comparing, you'll be in the past. You'll be living in the past, you are keeping her inside of the mind at one corner. She got seat, I missed it, how could I miss? God, what to do? No, if you are doing like this, what will happen? Automatically your mind will become blunt and you'll be wasting the present. So rather than that, past is past. I missed it. So what? Now still time is with me. Next time I'll try it. I'll change my field or I'll try once again. So what is your next action? That you need to concentrate. So please remember, that is very important. Be in the present. Life is not like a rat competition. Life is not rat competition. Life is always beautiful. It's a beautiful journey. Be in the journey, beautiful journey. Enjoy this journey. You must enjoy and don't compare with others. It's a rat competition, useless competition. So think about it once again. Compare with yourself. Compare with yourself for the progress of your life. Hope the talk is very useful. Do share this talk with everyone. Let's have a healthy competition, healthy comparison, but not a cheap competition. So thank you very much for all your affection. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. After subscription, press the bell icon so that you get the notifications quickly. And if you have any kind of doubts, any kind of topics you want, you can mention in the downside of the topic, downside of the comment box. And keep smiling, keep shining. Good luck.